Hello everybody. Really late video here. I'm so sorry, watcher, and thank you for ordering off of the Amazon wish list for the kitty cats. I should have opened this a couple days ago when it came in. I've been busy, and I just want you to know I am so grateful that you did that. I don't know how to say it enough. I'm just so grateful. Thank you, everyone. I'm not taking any more donations. They're slowly starting to transition and accept eating hard food more, and that's a lot cheaper and easier to keep up with. But I just want to say thank you again. And I'm gonna open the box and see what's inside, and then I'm gonna let them play with whatever it is or eat whatever it is, or what, you know, enjoy Watcher's gift to them. Sorry guys, I feel so awkward right now. Just been kind of having some weird days. But yeah, let me go ahead and open this. I'm using a cheese knife, which I don't know why I'm doing that. Oh wow. The water. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Watcher. Hopefully this thing stays filled for a while, and they like it. I guess this goes with it. Aww. Enjoy your gift from Amanda. I don't know if you want me to say the last, Amanda Ray, and then I won't say the last name. I don't even know. I didn't know that was your last name, Amanda. Watcher, Amanda. What does this say? These are the bowls. Oh my God. Or the plates, the bowl plates. Yes. Yes, no more fights. Let's open it. Ah. Whoa. Can't. Very nice. Thank you. Yes, I go through paper plates and the metal bowls like crazy. This will help so that I don't have to make sure they're all washed all the time every day. I can, you know, skip a day. Thank you. They're like retro colored. Pretty neat. This sounds like some balls. Where's my cheese knife? Oh, they're gonna love this. Oops. Where'd it go? This is a little, that's not very long, but put my cheese knife down. They'll probably drag it around and fight each other. There's no way that I'll get close enough. How would I use that? Aww. One of them loves, I had some little soft ones kind of like similar to this. He or she likes to carry it around in their mouth like they're big and bad, like they have a kill, like they killed something, and they dare the others to come take it from them. Some little mice. Oh, what is this? It sticks on the thing. Oh, it has a long, I wonder if this one has a longer tassel. No, but it's gonna be fun if this one does. Let's see, I'm gonna take this stuff outside, and I'm confused. Oh, no, I'm still confused. Okay. Awesome, thank you so much, Watcher. Thank you so much. I'm gonna fill this water up. I'm gonna fill this water up real quick and pause the video. Thank you so much, watchers. The water thing is really nice. It is so humid out here, I cannot breathe. The black babies were just here. I don't know where they went. I was waiting for my delivery of more cat food, and I guess they thought that I wasn't gonna feed them. And they took off. They'll be back. And that popping noise is my bug zapper. Every time you hear a little pop, that is a bug going to bug heaven. Oh yeah, after they eat, I'm gonna unleash the toys. Because they usually get real frisky after they get full bellies. I really want to hang my mom's sign. I love looking at it. Oh, there he is. He came out of the Twilight Zone. So the other one must be in there too. Oh. They don't know what to think of each other because they're not, I mean, they're related, but they're not same mom. They cousins. Yeah, I really want to hang my mom's sign, her old grooming sign. So we still have six kittens total. Guys, there's more bowls, look. Use your sniffer, find it. There's 2 more bowls. Please. So I am gonna pick up that water, that watering thing, because I'll be damned if a raccoon comes and defiles it. That raccoon is still coming around. And he will make it nasty. And I can't have that. Oh, they're playing. Well, they were playing. Water. At first when I put that bug zapper up, they were all kind of flipped out. And I guess now they're used of it. When it gets a June bug, it sounds like it's breaking. So hopefully we don't get a June bug while I'm recording. Because it sounds crazy. Guys, there's 2 more bowls over there. I usually only put 2 plates out. So I guess that's what they're assuming at the moment. Oh my God. Just turn around and look. Yeah, this is so awesome. The bowls, the toys, the water. I really enjoy watching them at night. It's kind of been my little, I don't know, my little safe space. At night I watch them and it's just a little wholesome showtime. And I worry about them. I need to stop because it's stressing me out worrying about them. And I can't, you can't stop nature or whatever happens. But I worry about them. And it was so funny. This morning I was drinking my coffee and the moms, I'm feeding them all, and moms come, both of them are here, all babies are here, and then moms eat, and I go inside, refill my coffee, I come back out, moms are gone, babies are all here. They left me to babysit. I guess they trust me. Yeah, I want them to all eat before I unleash the toys. So I might stop it here. I might stop recording. And then when they're all... and then when they're all done eating, I'll start recording again. So once I fed them, one mom, she called her litter off and went somewhere else. The other ones went to sleep. I came back out several times. Nobody came back. So I did not get to unleash the toys yet. They're still in the box. Still in the box. But I will post when I see them again. We will unleash the toys. If you watched the whole video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I didn't bore anybody with my little rambling. And once again, thank you, watcher of crazy. You the bomb. You know you the bomb. And everyone else that's helped as well. Miss Michelle, J for H, Candace Howard, thank you both. And I'm not going to be taking any more donations. I appreciate everyone that's asked for my Cash App or anything. I will get back to people with responding to comments. I just been having, I don't know, I just haven't been feeling myself lately, and I'm just working on it. And thank you again for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Until next time, bye guys.